Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 21, How to Set Menus in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn step-by-step how to set menus in WordPress. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Appearance and select Menus. This is your menu editing page. You can create your first menu here. Insert menu name, then click on this Create Menu button. So here it is showing most recent pages. Select the pages you want to add to the menu, and click on this Add to Menu button. You can also insert links in the menu from this Custom Links option. Here, enter the URL and text that's displayed with it. Then click on Add to Menu button. You can also add categories. Select the one you want and click on this Add to Menu button. So everything is added successfully here. You just need to drag and drop them in order to set them. Drag it above and drop it, or drag one inside another and drop it there. This way, it will be a submenu of the above one. So set the menus accordingly, and then click on this Save Menu button. Next tab is Manage Locations. Go to it. So here in this theme, we have got 3 locations: primary, secondary, social. Choose the location and the menu you want to display at this location. Then click on the Save Changes. Go back to your site and refresh it. You'll see the menu appeared on your set location. Go back to Edit Menus, and here, change the menu position. Click on Save Menu, and again refresh your site. You can see the positions have been updated here. Now this is one menu. You can create a new one by clicking on this Create a New Menu option. So repeat the process, give your menu a name, then click on Create Menu button. Again, add menu items, pages, links, posts, categories, whatever you want. Select them and click on Add to Menu button. Now arrange the menu in the order you want, and then click on Save Menu button. Go back to Manage Locations and choose a menu location. Select the menu you want to display at the location and click on Save Changes. Go to your site and refresh it. So here is our Menu 1, and on the right, we have our Menu 2. Menu 2 is Home, WordPress, and then Tips. Go back to Edit Menus. It's Menu 2 showing exact same Home, WordPress, and Tips just like on our site. If you want to edit another menu, select it from this drop-down list and click on this Select button. So Menu 1 is opened for editing. It's Home, About Us, and WordPress, the same as your site. A little below, you can see Delete Menu option, so you can delete the one you want. Select the menu you want to delete and click on this Delete Menu option. It's asking for confirmation because it will be deleted permanently. Click OK to continue, and the menu will be deleted. Back to your site and refresh it. You'll see Menu 1 is the same and Menu 2 has been removed. So this is how you work with WordPress Menus option. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we are going to learn everything about WordPress widgets. We'll see step-by-step how to set and edit widgets on your WordPress sites. See you in the next video tutorial.